Ever smelled something so bad? Your soul tried to leave your body? Well, today we're counting down the top 5 smelliest foods in the world. Grab a clothespin for your nose and let's dive into the stinkiest menu on earth. Surströmming. Sweden's fermented herring that's basically fish gone rogue. It smells like someone bottled the inside of a gym shoe, added vinegar, and let it marinate in despair for 6 months. The can literally bulges from the pressure inside, like it's trying to escape its own odor. Locals eat it outdoors for a reason. Indoors, it's a war crime. One bite, and you'll understand why customs officers in some countries have banned it on planes. Imagine walking down a street market and suddenly thinking, did someone just drop a wet sock in the sewer? Congratulations, you found stinky tofu. This deep-fried snack smells like the ghost of garbage past. But locals swear by its crispy, funky magic. It's fermented in brine made from milk, veggies, and sometimes meat juice. It's the kind of food that divides people. Half say delicious, the other half say emergency evacuation. The king of fruits, but also the emperor of odor. Durian smells like a combo of rotten onions, gasoline, and gym socks left in the sun. Hotels and buses across Asia literally ban it. But once you survive the smell, it's creamy, sweet, and oddly addictive. Locals love it, tourists fear it, and your nose will never forgive you. Durian, the fruit that separates the brave from the sane. France said, let's make a cheese so smelly it needs its own quarantine zone. Epoisses is washed in brandy and aged until it smells like wet feet doing the tango in a barn. Napoleon himself loved it, which explains why he looked so angry all the time. The French adore it for its rich, creamy texture. Everyone else? They adore it from very far away. This cheese is so powerful it's banned on French public transport. Oui, that's how serious it is. And finally, the boss level of stink. Hakal. This Icelandic delicacy starts as a Greenland shark, which is poisonous when fresh. So how do they fix that? They bury it underground and let it rot for months. Then they hang it to dry until it smells like a mix of ammonia, dead fish, and existential dread. Anthony Bourdain called it the single worst thing I've ever put in my mouth. You don't eat hakal, you survive it. So there you have it. 5 foods so smelly, even flies file complaints. Which one would you dare to try? Comment below and let's see who's brave and who's just pretending. And if you'd rather eat something that doesn't smell like a chemical accident,